Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unwrap this. This is one of the 16-piece repair tool kit for if you have an inner tube that is punctured by either the nail, screws, or just anything. And hopefully this will repair your bicycle. By the way, my son, I think he has a hole punch. He has a puncture hole on one of his inner tube. So that's why I got this repair kit. So yeah, anyway, I think this repair kit was like $5.95. But if you purchase anything more than $35, you get free shipping. So I purchased with the other 6 items, but somehow they ship it separately, so I'm not sure why. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got inside here. What? Is this the right items? It's supposed to come with tools to remove the tire as well. So it is, this one is a 16-piece inner tube. You can use this for ATV BMX motorcycle or whatever that has an inner tube. Come on, this hook for the store. Oh, so this is made in Taiwan, not China. Wow, look at that. Here are the 3 other prying tools for your tube. Well, not tube, but to remove your tire. Come with this rubber glue. And one of this metal scuff. Depends on how big is your hole, so you need to determine which rubber patch to put it on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, okay? Wow, that's a nice design. You can just stack them up with this. It's a cool design. And it says Taiwan. So yeah, you need to pry this out using this tool. Hopefully it's strong enough. come with this nice case. Okay. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And hopefully I can show you guys a repairing process. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.